Hello, I'm Seppo Parviainen from Agens Finland, and I'm going to show you how to use our digital editing, negotiation, and template tool called AI Lawyer. This will be done so that we go inside Agens internet pages, and there is part where everything is in English, and then we go to AI Lawyer part, and it is a digital legal tech process tool. Clicking from here, you will come to our tool, and as you can see, there is everything in English. Username you can see from up right, and here you can handle the language. This time we have used English. As you can see, we have the two parts. There are the negotiation editing space where we have our electronic signature and template part. Here are the basic instructions how to use this negotiation space or how to use this template space. There is also more information here and also inside the tool. If we first go to this templates part, you can see that we have there 350 different templates. 155 is now made in English and other one is in Finnish, but this is also a tool where you can create your own content. If you want to use that kind of AI Lawyer tool, then you have possibility to create new templates, create new category, and have inside the system totally your own documents. There are several possibilities to look the documents inside the system. There is a search template, like you can just write the name of the document you are looking for, and then it is seeking that needed document. There's other possibility to look the categories inside the tool. You can see here are different categories. We can take, for instance, board and general meetings, and then you can see that here are all the documents under the product group board and general meetings. If you click the document, like here, advisory board agreement, you can see the document coming here, and you can look if it's the document you are looking for. And inside the document, there is about 90% of the document pre-made, ready. What is needed is then to fill the needed information like parties, meeting, when meeting is held, and other issues. And then you can go and save the document or print it out in Word or in PDF form. Here you can come back if you think that you should look for some other document. And the third way to look the documents is just using this alphabetical system where number one is starting from the documents that have name, number, or A, and then they are in alphabetical order. So you can see, for instance, now in page 6 we are in D, and same way here. If you click the document, there is 90% pre-made document, and it can be looked before taking it out and fill it, and then you can go back again if you think you need something else. This is quite simple and easy, and this is the way when you want to use pre-made templates. In English 155, and if you want to have suite version, we can do the version so that you can create all new templates inside system or create new categories. Then we can go back to the meeting negotiation spaces, where you can see that here are some meetings made for demo use, and these are showing the meetings that are inside my system today. You can see that here is the name of the meeting. Here are the documents inside the system when this was open, the meeting, and here you can add users or remote the meeting when everything is done. There is also other possibility to look the documents. They are here in different order, and you have also possibility to look latest first or alphabetical way. If we go to meeting rooms, if you want to create negotiation space, you can put here, and you go to place where you can create new negotiation meeting space, put here the name. If you want to use your own documents outside the system, just here using this browse, clicking and putting your own template inside system. It can be in Word, Microsoft Word, or in PDF form. You can also take some of the documents you need in the meeting, just adding to a negotiation space, like you have here possibilities like advisory board agreement. Adding from here, you can have it in the space. And in the end, you can just create the space, putting here, and you end up here where you have all the meetings going on. To save some time, we can choose, for instance, test number 4 space, and we can see from test number 4 that we have there 3 documents: shareholder agreement, board exception, and also board meeting minutes. And here you can see that here are the users inside the system: Seppo Parviainen as owner, Otto as an editor, and Anna and Eve as an editor. As license owner, you can create the spaces, and you can also ask, like from here, you can remove document, or you can add users, and users can be added using this one. And before you add user, you can also put the role of the user. It can be editor or commentator. Editor can make changes and give comments during meeting, and these commenters just can make comments to others. All the instructions here ready to begin, and also show more, giving you the needed basic instructions. Here you can see that, for instance, this shareholder meeting, we have already 11 comments, and in this phase we go to the editing mode, where is 2 parts: actions and comments. In this actions part, you can see the situation we have in this document now. There has been some changes, and so far the changes are not accepted by all the members. There's a different color, and also showing the history that is made during this meeting. And if you want to edit document, you can do it from here. And if you want to delete, you can do it from here. And if you want to comment, download the document or download the comments, you can use these buttons. And if you want to go in this phase, actions, editing the document, just putting here, and you arrive a space where you can see here all the changes, so-called tracked changes, when the change was made, the date, the time, and here you can see that you can have these tracked changes on, or you can take it away, and if you take it away, then it is somewhere behind and you can use it without tracked changes. Or then you can have these tracked changes, so you can see all the changes, and you can use also expand editor that is giving you more space to see both documents and same time see these changes. Back to normal view, and then if you want to make changes, you need to accept. You can accept this change, accept, move to next, accept everything, or accept all changes and stop tracking. And now we save the document, and when you are saving, you can say the comments there, like in this, no changes made, save the document, and this way you can see that there is the document in that situation that is finally left. If you want to see the comments here, you can go to comment phase, and there you have history of comments. This is my comment, no changes made, and it's 4th of January 22, 1:53 p.m. And as I said earlier, you can save all the comments as a comment history, and then you can accept the comments and save them to different place. And as we said, look earlier, you can download the document when it's ready and take it out if needed in Word or PDF format, or it will go to this meeting room if you don't take it away, and you can also download the comments. If we go back to the test 4, you can see that there are one new comment. Now there is 12 comments. And then if you think about that, this is now ready for signing, this process for the shareholder agreement, we can go to this submit for signing, and then send for signing. We can choose the needed documents, like here, shareholder document, and then continue. And then we can select the signers. For instance, we can select myself, but we can also take someone outside the meeting room who can also sign this, just putting his or her email address here. And this way, you go to next phase where you can use signature type. We are using in this version Visma Sign Strong or Weak, Hand, and then we have also this language. We have Finnish, English, and Swedish. This way we use this English, and then if we put the submit for signing, it will send it to signature mode. So this means that you will have it to your email, and in email you have the basic electronic signature giving you the code number you need to signing it and the link. Then you just take the code, go inside from the link, put the code, and in this hand signature you are writing using the mouse from your computer, signing your name, confirming it, and then it's ready. And when all the participants have signed, this is so-called ready-made document. This means that all the signers have signed it, and this means that it will be ready, and then no changes are possible to make for this document. Then there is two other documents, and this can be separately, or you can just put all the documents same time for signing. If you want to close the space, and you go to this starting point, and as you can see, you can go to other meetings, or you can create new meeting spaces, or you can just go outside the system using this logout. So this way you can say that you have had now the basic information about this agent system, and you should take contact to us, and we can have a separate presentation with you, and you can also use the videos always when you want to see what is happening. Thank you.